Hello. In this lab, I was supposed to connect my Arduino to my phone through Bluetooth to perform some sort of function. I guess the instructions were anything really. Most basic was LED. This being after the final, I ended up using my my smart car, Arduino made smart car. We were supposed to make an app on the MIT website, but I was having a really hard time doing that, so I pretty much got instructions from this uh, howtomechanics.com. I just had to kind of modify just a little bit, not very much. Modify their code, my pinouts, and their baud rate or serial rate. Um, yeah, I think that's it. Uh, I'll go ahead and put the code in the comments area of the video. This is their app right here. And here's my little robot. Let me get it closer to the light. I got my l298 motor driver H bridge. Sorry. Little Bluetooth module on my micro breadboard. Try to close in a little bit here. First thing, I was having trouble connecting because I wasn't getting into full AT mode, which is my white wire. I had to first bring it up to 5 volts and then short it to ground for the enable pin to bring it into AT mode. I have my 5 volts red and then ground black, and then my RX and transmit pin right there, and reverse on my Arduino board. Just to make it clear, you do have to disconnect these every time you upload a program because it causes some type of interference and it won't upload. I have my motors there, my left and right. I just zip tied everything down pretty much, except for my Lego. I actually made some extra holes and bolted it down right there. I've got my 5 volts wired all the way down there to up here for the Bluetooth, and my ground from this side to my white wire here. My motor control pins are 13, 12, 9, and 8 because one of my pins broke in pin 10, so I kind of just had to skip around a little bit. And I try to leave analog outputs for pulse width for my actual enable pins. Enable pin to pin 11. Yeah, 11. And then pin 6. 7, 6, yep. Having a hard time even looking at this right now. Yeah, pin 6 to my enable A. I actually had to solder some down here for my switch for on and off. I'm not going to turn it off though, because I'll have my Bluetooth module disconnect from my cell phone. So that's the end. And then my little 9-volt battery for my Arduino Uno. I tried using my voltage in pin with my green wire to the third output there of the H bridge, but it wasn't working. It wasn't enough power, even though I do have around 10 volts in a twin battery pack of 4, 5, 6, 7 double A's in series. I say 7 because I left out one. Is it this side? No, it wasn't this side. It was. See if I could shine some light in there. I left that one right there. It's only one right there. So 7 double A's in series. Same amperage or current, just higher voltage. And this is just for show. I had it actually automated just to run itself, pinging and looking for a clear path with the servo motor, but that's really not doing much since I'm controlling it by Bluetooth. And that's pretty much it. Let me go ahead and set this on the ground and run it a little bit. Here's my app. Oh shit! It froze. Okay. I'm gonna have to do some troubleshooting here. Let me disconnect and see if that helps. Here's my car running. What's up? I'm back with this part 2, forced part 2. The app had crashed, or actually I figured out it wasn't just the app, it was the actual Bluetooth module. For some reason it turned off, so it's whatever last command I guess I sent it at that second, or whatever time it took to receive this and then turn off. It just kept that in a cycle, and it was kind of weird. But kind of didn't really figure out what it was. The wires seemed okay, and I disconnected it, checked it back here with voltage from just my pinouts from 5 volts and ground, and it's pretty cool. I think it's just the little insert pins of the Lego. They're not the snugglest as the original Uno are, but it works. Anyways, here's it actually functioning. Okay, so reverse a little bit, forward, moving forward. Okay, kind of hard to control this thing. Yeah, don't crash. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. I got stuck again. I don't know what's up with this thing, but I think it's probably, watch, I think it is just the Bluetooth. Oh no, it's not. It's blinking. What the heck? I think it just disconnected. I don't know. I'll have to figure this out. Anyways, for now, this is success, kinda, for my homework to just connect it with Bluetooth, and it works. So I just figured out why it doesn't work as well as it should. Thanks for watching.